Alright, chess fanatics, get ready to witness a monumental clash from 2006. It's the queen of aggression, Judith Polgar, against the strategic fortress, Boris Gelfand. Polgar, with the white pieces, opens with e4, and Gelfand responds with his signature French defense. But Judith isn't playing for quiet. She immediately ignites a fiery kingside attack. h4, h5, pushing that h-pawn all the way to h6. She's trying to rip open Gelfand's defenses, create an inferno on the board. Gelfand, however, is a master of calm. He responds with a solid g6, stemming the tide and preparing for a long, strategic battle. But this is where the plot thickens. As the queens come off, Polgar's initial kingside storm starts to lose its punch. That advanced h-pawn, once a threat, begins to look isolated. Gelfand, with his unparalleled endgame precision, sees his opportunity. He expertly simplifies, activating his pieces, and slowly, methodically, he starts to turn the screw. What unfolds next is an absolute endgame masterclass. Gelfand's king becomes a powerhouse, his pawns relentlessly march forward, and he just suffocates Polgar's position. It's not one sudden, flashy tactic, but a grueling, precise, move-after-move assault that stretches for over 100 moves. Judith fights tooth and nail, a true warrior, but Gelfand's technique is simply too perfect. He weaves a mating net with his king and pawns, forcing Polgar to concede in an epic display of endurance and skill. Gelfand reigns supreme. What an incredible chess marathon. If you love this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic chess battles, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of the action.